We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet P-2035. So this printer will take a 05A or 05X. So you just press this little toner guy button there, and that'll open your front hatch. You have a lever right here, just go ahead and pull that out. Put your old toner to the side while you unbox your new one. You don't want to get them all mixed up. And then you'll just follow the guides on each side. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. Sometimes it might be a little hard to push in. Shut your front thing and you're good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.